Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Happy Christmas Eve here in the United States. Getting ready for Christmas Eve tonight and Christmas tomorrow, of course. So busy, busy, busy. And this is, of course, a Christmas-related idiom. Is supersizing your business like turkeys voting for Christmas? Are you treating it that way? This idiom, this expression has been around since 1573 when people started serving turkeys along with their Christmas dinner, their Christmas special. And it means, of course, that, and it's a metaphor, it's an English idiom and metaphor that's used to describe a situation where you're making a choice that is clearly not in your own self-interest, that is clearly against your self-interest. A turkey voting for Christmas is voting for its own demise in that it's not going to survive, it's not going to live after Christmas if it votes for Christmas and Christmas dinner includes a turkey. So most of us will not go for or support or vote for something that is self-destructive. Yet there are millions of alcoholics, there are millions of drug addicts. So obviously, as human beings, we often do things that are not in our own best interest. We think that they're serving us in the way that is best for us, but they're actually doing the opposite. So today I invite you to ask yourself the question as you're getting ready and you're out of your usual routine, getting ready for the holiday. Most people aren't working today, and spending time with family and friends, and you're out of your normal routine. Are there any ways that you are self-sabotaging your growth? Are there systems or processes or procedures that you know you should put in place but you don't have? Are there safeties or precautions or things that systems you should have in place but you don't, and you know you don't? Are you taking unnecessary risks as you grow and build your business? As outrageous and unusual as it seems, as we would do things that are self-sabotaging or that undermine our success or slow our growth, oftentimes when we look closely, we find that we, as the leader of the organization, happen to be the biggest bottleneck, or we are the bottleneck or the thing that's holding us back or slowing down our growth. And it's hard to admit, but once we see that, we see, oh my gosh, I am the problem. I am the bottleneck. What am I going to do about it? And we instantly solve that problem, because as business owners, we are problem solvers, and we definitely don't want to be the problem. And the easiest problem to solve is always ourselves, right? Sometimes the hardest part is seeing it, and the easiest part is actually taking action to get out of our own way. So as interesting, I think this is a really interesting idiom. I know we've covered it before. I don't remember when. I should have looked up the previous time we covered it, but I am busy getting ready for the holiday because we weren't going to be at my home, and now all of a sudden we're doing Christmas Eve at my house today. So busy getting ready for that. If I can help you anyway, ask. Probably won't answer until after Christmas Day, but go ahead and ask. And tomorrow we will have another Christmas idiom, and then we will go into end of the year idioms, because I want to share what they mean, where they come from, and how you can use them to supersize and grow your business. So in order to not be the biggest bottleneck or sabotage your business, and not be like a turkey voting for Christmas, make sure that you are getting out of the way, that you are looking at your processes and products and services and customer service and the way you do things in every area and aspect of your business. I call them audits every once in a while to make sure that you're growing as quickly as you want to. All right, have an awesome day. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.